Look at that. That is a piece. Like, what up, y'all? Welcome back to Fashion Friday. Hey, Fashion Friday. Hey. No, but today I am really excited about today's video. I'm going to be purging my closet because, as y'all can see, it's a lot of stuff in my closet that it just needs to go. We talked about knowing your style and finding your own personal style, and it's just like, now that I found my personal style, I realized that it's a lot of stuff that's in my closet that's not really my style. I just bought it because it was cute, or it was on sale, or it used to be my style, but it's not my style no more, and it's just in my closet taking up space. We could just start at the top of the closet. So up here is just all my shirts, sweaters, and dresses. Dresses is up here too. So like I said in my personal style video, I'm like either girly tomboy or I'm bad and bougie. So anything that's kind of in between, or anything that's not either one of those two, I really just need to get rid of. One thing about me is that I will throw on some shorts and a t-shirt quick. I feel like I still wear this because I like stuff that I could wear with tennis shoes, and this is a dress, but it's got like one of them little hoods on it. It's like that type of vibe. So I'm gonna keep stuff like this because it kind of goes with my little girly tomboy vibe if I got it on with some tennis shoes and like a cute little purse, and just like, that's my style. I actually wore this for my birthday last year, but I made it in like, I actually made this as well, and I made it in like 30 minutes. So it's kind of messed up. And the back is a little messed up. Like, it won't, if it zip all the way, it's like, it just don't look right. So what I'm thinking is, because it's a full bodysuit, so I actually might be able to salvage the pants part of the bodysuit. So I think I'm just gonna set this to the side, and I'm gonna cut this top half off and just turn it into a pair of pants. And then that way I won't be wasting something that I made. So, ooh, this is really not my style no more at all. Like, I'm never gonna wear this again. Let's just be honest. Never gonna wear this again. Let's just be honest. Jeff Productions. Jeff Productions. the thought process I'm going through as I'm going through this stuff, I'm thinking about what I have now, what I plan on buying as far as like shoes and accessories is concerned, and is this gonna go with the vibe that I'm trying to go for. When I look at this, like, my style used to be very girly and like bougie and just, it used to be like that, but like this is not really me no more. Yeah, I think it's time for me to let it go. It's like some stuff I've had so long and I have some type of attachment to it just because it's been here for a long time. But just because it's been here for a long time don't mean I gotta keep it around. Shoot. Okay, that's a word for somebody now. Time don't mean nothing. If it don't work for me no more, it just don't work for me no more. Okay? If it's blue, I'm not throwing it away, because y'all, my favorite color is blue, so nothing blue is going in the trash today. Sorry. You want to try this on and see if I can fit it. I'm about to try it on real quick. Yeah, it fits. It's not zipped all the way, but I know I can fit it. I made this outfit in like 2018, and when I made it, I couldn't fit it, and now I done lost a little bit of weight. I can fit it. Let's see if I can try to zip this. Oh, there we go. I want to move on to the jacket section. Good, and it's like heavy. It's lined with, like, I love this jacket, so you're staying with me. So she stays. That pink looks good on me, so I buy it sometimes, but pink is like the smallest section of my closet. Like, I got a couple pink things, like I said, because I think the color looks good on me, but just, I mean, and it looks good on me, honestly. And I may evolve and become a blazer girl, but I'm not a blazer girl. But it's just like, I don't want to get rid of it because it's so cute and I love the buttons on it. It's very vintage. Look at that. That is a piece. Like, yeah, I think I might keep this. Just cause I could do so much with this, and the shape is good. Like, I could even wear this as a shirt if I wanted to. I could button it all the way closed, put on some cute jeans, some white shoes, and it'll be my vintage bad and bougie. This is cute. Okay, I'm keeping it. Bad.
Productions.
I be wearing these sometimes. These are some Forever 21 jeans. I like the little stripe down the side. I feel like it makes them kind of different, but I don't really be wearing these like that for real, to be honest. But I have some other dark jeans, and these just have rips in them. So I kind of like these. These are kind of cute to me, so I might just hold on to these. But I had these Levi's. Oh, here they go. Yeah, I bought these last summer, and I don't be wearing, like, I wear them, but they not my favorite. I feel like they make my butt look a little smushed. I don't love these jeans. They do have stretch to them. I don't know. I don't love these jeans. I mean, if I had to pick between the Levi's and the Forever 21 jeans, to be honest, I might just go with the Forever 21. So this is all of the stuff I was actually able to get rid of. I'm kind of proud of myself. It's not a lot, but I do feel like I made enough room to where, you know, I could get some new stuff. And then that's going in the archives because I made that, and I just want to keep it. And then those two things I'ma just tailor those. So yes, that was me purging my closet. If you needed a sign that you need to purge your closet, this is your sign, okay? Because it's good I would say every couple months to go in your closet and just figure out what your style is, figure out what you need to buy more of, and throw out the stuff that you don't need no more and just go ahead and buy what you need. So that's it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps my channel. And subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.